for today's video, we're gonna put our Christmas tree up. Kasi, tapos na ang Thanksgiving. Yes. Wow, we waited until Thanksgiving is over. Kasi, mas gusto ko yung gano'n. Ayoko yung Thanksgiving pa may Christmas decors na ako. Pwede naman, di ba? Yung iba nagde-decorate na early on, pero tradition na namin yun. So, we bought a 9-feet Christmas tree. Yung dati 7.5 lang, feet lang yun. Ito, mas gusto ko ng mas malaki this time, kaya binili namin ito. Yung luma binigay ko sa sister-in-law ko. And then, yung gusto ko talaga, yung twinkling siya. Nag-viral yun sa TikTok, nasa, I think, 2 years ago pa yun eh. Yung nag-viral, yung, I'm sure nakakita na kayo ng mga videos nun guys, ng Christmas trees na nagtitwinkling na parang fairy lights na ang ganda. I'm sure nakita niyo yun yung ibig ko sabihin. Yes, yung iba may mga twinkle na yung normal lang, yung common lang. Pero yung gusto ko talaga yung fairy lights twinkle. Kaya lang lagi sold out. So, 3 Home Depot na pinuntahan namin, laging wala. And then sa online, ganun din, out of stock. So, hindi na ako makahintay, so kinuha na namin ito. It's 9 feet. Ang pagkakaiba lang, yung texture ng tree at saka nga yung twinkling. Although merong 8 modes ito sa lights niya, kung anong gusto mong mode na i-setup, mayroon yung regular na twinkle lang. Kaya nga, sabi ko, oh my gosh, I'm sure alam niyo yung sinasabi ko. Or pag nakita mo in person, ang ganda. Nakaka-mesmerize. Yung twinkle niya iba, yun nga parang fairy lights. Parang hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng decors. Kasi nga yung twinkle lang ganda. But anyway, wala tayong magagawa. Binili na namin to. And mas mura. Nasa lang to, nasa 350. It ended up like, I think 385 with the tax na yon. Yung sinasabi ko may twinkle, tawag doon, Grand Dutch something twinkling tree. Nasa 549. So, abot ng almost 600 yun with the tax. But anyway, tingnan natin kung maganda, kung pasok sa panlasa ko itong tree na to. So, I'm just waiting for my daughter to wake up and then i-open natin. Meron ako dito yung mga lumang ornaments na gagamitin namin. Meron dito guys. Ang gusto kong team ngayon, gold, red, and green. Ito yung mga dati pa. So, meron pa akong magagamit dito. Ito, hindi. Old rose na wala to sa tema ko ngayon. Itong mga flowers dito, ayun guys, meron naman magaganda dito, makakahanap naman tayo, di ba? Meron dito, itong mga to siguro hindi ko na gagamitin ko na lang sa ibang decors dito sa bahay. And then, bumili ako ng ribbons sa Amazon. Ito, may gold, may red, at saka 2 green. Like I've said, yun ang gusto kong color this year. Ewan ko guys, kung sa kayo din. Gusto ko yung laging may red. Kasi yung red parang parang pampadagdag saya, you know. So gusto ko yung Christmas tree, ko yung mga Christmas decors namin, may touch of red, you know. And then ito, pwede rin gamitin pa tong, meron din dito. Ayan. Dati pa to merong mga Christmas balls. Ayan, may mga red. Tsaka itong mga to. So, tignan natin kung magkakasya. Kasi nga, itong mga to dun sa mas maliit na Christmas tree. Pero ito mas malaki. And then, bumili din ako ng Christmas tree color. Ewan ko kung maganda. Pero tingnan natin. Dati meron ako yung yung Christmas skirt. Kaya lang nagsawa ako doon. So, try natin ito. Sa Amazon din ito. Pwede naman i-return eh. Pwede i-return kapag hindi maganda. So, try natin guys. So, magde-decorate kami mamaya ni Avery. And then, pakita ko sa inyo. It might not be yung finished product. Yung finished na decor natin. Kasi nga baka kulang itong mga decorations. Pero, Tingnan natin. Baka pagkakasyahin ko na kasi ang mahal, guys. Like I've said, yung mga iba, dati pa yan. Pero ito, imagine, guys, ito. Ito na yung apat na 4 pieces. Dinali ko sa Amazon. Almost $70 to, guys. For this one, nasa $23 ito. And then ito, I think, 15. And then ito, I think it's the same. Mahal, di ba? So, baka pagkasyahin na kasi ayoko nang gumastos pa. Alam niyo naman, pag Christmas, magastos ang Pasko, di ba, guys? So, pero at least dito, walang mga inaanak na dumarating, namimigay na ginagawa. Pero, yung mga pamangkin ko, binibigyan namin ng pera. And then, nagpapadala kami sa Pinas, para dun sa kinalola at tita ko, pinamimigay dun sa mga inaanak ko doon. So, okay guys, hintayin muna natin magising si Avery and then balikan ko kayo. Avery's here. She's awake. But we ate some lunch first before we wanted to start putting our Christmas tree up. Okay? So let's gotta move this real quick.
Can I help?
Yeah. Move it on the side, baby. You can carry it.
Yes. It's not even heavy, it's so light.
Okay. I think I gotta put this here.
This too.
Yeah, put it there.
Cat!
And then,
Pony can fly even though she doesn't have wings. Watch this.
wala si Habi, wala si Greg. He said we're gonna wait for him so he could help. But we're so excited to put this up, Avery.
Yeah.
Can you move, girl? I think kaya naman. We'll see. Okay.
I almost got crushed by a 200-pound weight. Something. Tree. I want to sit on it.
No, it's dirty. Move your dog, block the camera.
Guys, you're never gonna believe it. One of my aunties gave me a blind box and I got the secret.
Yeah, you talk to them while I'm doing this.
Yeah. Wait, where's the card?
You took it right here.
I took it somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there. This is proof it's actually the secret, guys. Look. It literally says secret on the bottom. See?
Don't go so close though, Avery. Sometimes they can't see. But if you get too close, yeah.
Right there.
Okay.
See it?
This one we got. We'll see. Let's see if this is what we like. I think you gotta do this and then you gotta lock it here.
Guys, it won't go down.
What? Okay.
I'm jumping.
Don't jump. Where the phone? I don't know which part is this. I think he has like four pieces.
I think that's the top.
So there's one. Yeah, I think this is the top.
Yeah, because look at it. Guys, look, it has like a
Oh,
blanket.
yeah, it has letter A. You see that A?
A, B, C, D.
So that's A.
Can I help you?
No. I'm not ready.
Guys,
Oh
this
my
is
God.
this is the rock where it's like you have to put it around the thing. Oh my.
This is a really big tree. I don't know what letter it is.
I'm bang.
Okay, there's another one.
Is it bang?
Okay, move, baby, move.
Let me see.
Yeah.
I
Now put
want
it
to tell
down.
them the letter.
Okay.
That's A. Oh, this life is poking.
You gotta move it.
Don't crush me.
Okay, I gotta move that now.
See? I think this is B, but I don't know yet.
Okay. What letter now?
I don't know. I can't find it. If you guys,
It is heavy.
if you saw it, can you please tell me what letter it is?
It is another piece. My gosh, guys, it is gonna be a big tree.
What letter is it?
I don't know. Oh gosh.
Okay, we're just gonna save that for last. Oh! Oh, there's one. I don't know what.
Maybe it's heavy.
I got it.
Okay.
What letter?
Okay, so here's another one. Hold on, baby, move. No, it's not holding it. So we have 4
This is a...
pieces here. Oh my god, they're heavy. Weird, I'll have to put it. I have to unlock this. Okay, it's really heavy. It is really heavy, guys. So, I'll knock on my back later. Okay. Oh. And then, after all the struggles that we had trying to put this Christmas tree up, we decided just to return it. Kasi it's exactly the same leaves of the one that I had before. The one we had before, exactly the same. Yung ano niya, material. So I don't like it. So I decided to pack it. Tignan nyo, I'm so tired, guys. I decided to pack it back. And then we're just going to return it and we'll see what do they have there at the store. This is the problem buying stuff online. You don't have to see the actual product. Unless you went there, you saw the actual product. But when we went there, there's nothing that I really like. So I just browsing and saw this one. Kamukha lang nung Christmas yung binigay ko doon sa sister ko. Mas malaki lang. Pero yan, kaya ayoko yun. Kasi yung dahon niya, ayoko yung material. Kamukha, it's exactly the same. May nakalimutan ko na kung ano bang model yun. Kasi that was 6 years old na rin yung Christmas tree namin na yun. Kaya hindi ko na alam. Kamukha, guys. Ayan. So, I put it back in the box. Ito tape ko na lang. And then, i-return namin. Hi, Avery. What are you gonna play?
It was a fail.
What are you gonna tell the guys?
It was a fail.
We're gonna get a new one on Sunday, okay?
Yes.
When that is off. Okay, guys. Ito tape ko lang ito and then we're gonna return it at Home Depot on Sunday. And then, I hope we could find one that we really like, okay? Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm sorry, hindi ko mapakita kung anong itsura ng Christmas tree namin today.
I made a cake.
Maybe next week. Thanks. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.
Like and share.
Thank you. Bye.